In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deferit with bad credit score. If you've been knocked back by traditional credit or you're rebuilding after some missed payments, this walkthrough will show you how to get set up, use the service responsibly, and track your progress so you actually see benefits over time. First, sign up and check your eligibility. Head to the app or website and create an account, then follow the prompts to verify your identity and add a valid payment method. Have a current bill ready to upload so the system can assess what you want to pay and how much you can borrow through the platform. Eligibility can vary and approval isn't guaranteed, so take a moment to read the fees and terms before you proceed. Confirm your repayment schedule and make sure the dates line up with when you get paid. A quick tip here: set calendar reminders and enable notifications during sign up so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, use the service to build positive payment habits. Even if the provider doesn't report to every credit bureau in every region, paying bills on time helps you avoid late fees, collections, and negative marks that can severely hurt your score. Turn on automatic payments if available. Keep enough funds in your account on repayment days, and pay a little early when you can. Consistency is the goal. Over a few cycles, that pattern of on-time payments can support your broader credit health by preventing new delinquencies. If your credit is already in bad shape, start small and keep it manageable. Choose a low bill amount for your first repayment plan and commit to it before adding another. A helpful rule of thumb is to keep your total scheduled payments well below what you have left after essential expenses each pay period. Avoid stacking multiple bills at once and space them out so due dates don't cluster together. Build a small buffer in your budget for unexpected costs. And if anything changes in your income, scale back immediately rather than risking a missed payment. Finally, monitor your credit and track the impact. Use a trusted credit monitoring tool to check your reports monthly, watching for missed payments, collection activity, and any new inquiries. Keep an eye on your account inside the app too. Confirm each installment post, review your plan end dates, and note any changes to your available limit. If a payment looks at risk, contact support early to discuss your options. After a few months, compare your before and after credit profile and adjust your usage. Continue what's working and reduce or pause if it's adding stress. With patience and steady on-time payments, you can make meaningful progress.